Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to unfollow followers on X. So the ability to remove a follower on X is available on the X website. But this option, unfortunately, is not found directly within the mobile application, so you will need to use your browser. So open your browser and find x.com page. Of course, you have to sign in to your X account, and finally, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, then enter your profile section, and now find followers count right here. Tap it. At the top, select followers section, and then in this list you want to find specific follower that you want to remove, and let's go to their profile. Now tap three-dot button and finally select option remove this follower. So you have to tap it and of course confirm your action. This way user will be removed from your follower list, and the person that you remove as a follower will not be notified. They will have to follow you once again if they want to see your public posts. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.